Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create a form in Monday.com. First, log into your Monday.com account. Go to your board and click on the Add View button located at the top of the board. This will open a list of different view types. Look for Form in the list and click on it. If you don't see it right away, go to the Explore More Views section and search for Form in the View Center. Once you find it, just click Open in Board to create your form. Now that your form is added, you can start customizing it. You can give it a name and description. You'll see that each column on your board corresponds to a question in the form. You can adjust the questions by renaming them or adding instructions for the person filling it out. If you need to add more questions, simply go back to your main board and add a new column. It will automatically appear in your form. Once your form is set up, you can preview it by clicking on the Preview button at the top. This lets you see what it will look like to users. After making sure everything looks good, you can share the form by copying the link or embedding it on your website. And that's how you create a form in Monday.com. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.